A tragic accident near Bengaluru has shaken the entire state. What started as a fun early morning drive ended in a horrifying disaster that claimed 7 lives, 6 students, and one innocent biker. Let's understand what exactly happened. The accident took place in the early hours of Friday between 4:15 and 4:30 a.m. near Kamblipura Gate in Hoskote Taluk of Bengaluru Rural District on the Dobaspet Hoskote Satellite Town Ring Road, also known as STRR. According to police reports, a speeding XUV 700 SUV carrying 6 students was heading towards Devanahalli from Hoskote. Most of the boys inside the car were teenagers. 5 of them were minors. Police investigation suggests that the vehicle was moving at an extremely high speed, around 150 to 160 kilometers per hour. The person reportedly driving the SUV was 17-year-old Ayan Ali. Police say that near Kamlipura Gate, the SUV lost control. First, it rammed into a bike from behind. The biker, 26-year-old Gagan, was flung into the air due to the force of the impact. He suffered a severe head injury and died on the spot. But the tragedy did not stop there. After hitting the bike, the SUV continued forward and crashed into a truck moving behind. The impact was so strong that the truck's rear axle and housing got completely separated. The heavy vehicle lost balance, veered off the road and toppled. The SUV scrapped against the road barrier for almost 130 to 150 meters before coming to a complete stop. The vehicle was reduced to a mangled head of metal. All 6 students inside the SUV died instantly. The deceased students were identified as Ahram Sharif, 16-year-old, Ashwin Nair, 17-year-old, Ethan George, 17 years old, Ayan Ali, 17 years, Bharat, 17, Muhammad Farhan Sheikh, 18 years old. Most of them were students of PU colleges and schools in Bengaluru. The biker who lost his life was Gagan, aged 26. Shocking, about 15 minutes after the first crash, another accident occurred at the same spot. A Maruti Brezza heading towards Bengaluru airport rammed into the truck's detached axle and wheel housing that was still lying on the road. The Brezza was damaged and its 2 occupants suffered minor injuries. The driver of the Brezza, Naresh, later informed the police and filed a complaint. Based on this complaint, a case has been registered against Ayan Ali for rash and negligent driving, causing death. The truck driver, Balasubramaniam, aged 32, survived the crash and injuries. From his hospital bed, he described the terrifying moment. He said the road was calm and he was driving steadily in his lane when suddenly he felt a massive impact from behind. Within seconds, his truck toppled. He lost consciousness and regained it later. Shocked to see the destruction, he could not believe that the SUV had hit with such force that the truck's rear axle had separated completely. People believe thick fog may have reduced visibility at that early hour. However, based on the extent of damage and statements from other motorists, investigators suspect that the SUV was speeding at around 160 km per hour. The speed limit on the STRR is 100 km per hour, though the road has CCTV cameras and speed monitoring systems. Police are still verifying exact speed data. Officials say this is the first such major accident reported on this stretch of the STRR. After the accident, some local residents from Kamblipura and nearby villages raised concern about the road's design. They allege that the particular stretch has several crests and dips, making it risky, especially at high speeds. Bengaluru Rural Superintendent of Police Chandrakant said authorities will involve highway and public works officials to study whether the road design has any issues. If any flaws are found, corrective steps will be taken. However, police have clearly stated that speeding appears to be the primary cause. The SUV reportedly belonged to the father of one of the students, Asghar Ali, a businessman from Kottanur. Police are still investigating when the teenagers started their journey, where they had gone before, and why they were traveling at such high speed in the early hours. Beyond the police reports and crash details lies the most powerful part of this tragedy, the story of Gagan. Gagan was a 26-year-old warehouse supervisor working at AXA Warehouse Private Limited. That early morning, he was simply returning home after finishing his night shift. For him, it was just another routine ride, but fate had something else planned. Gagan was the sole breadwinner of his family. His visually impaired mother depended entirely on him. He supported his sister and helped his father in their rose fields whenever he had time. Despite working long hours, he never complained. Relatives describe him as a responsible and resilient young man. His father, holding back tears at the mortuary, said, "It is our fate. I don't know what happened." Family members said he was not at fault. Speeding and reckless driving by others killed him. He was not just earning money, he was building a future for his family. And in a single moment, that future was taken away. Police officers said the SUV was so badly damaged that they had to use cranes to remove the vehicles and clear the road. Rescue teams struggled to pull out the bodies of 6 boys from the mangled car. The scene of the STRR was described as devastating and chilling. Traffic was affected for several hours. Senior police officials, including the Inspector General of Police for the Central Range, visited the spot to review the situation. This tragic accident raises serious questions. How did a minor get behind the wheel of a high-powered SUV? Why was the vehicle moving at such dangerous speeds? Could stricter monitoring have prevented this? And what more needs to be done to stop reckless driving among teenagers? Every year, speeding remains one of the leading causes of fatal accidents in India. But when such incidents involve minors and cost multiple young lives, the shock becomes even deeper. 7 lives lost in minutes. 6 young students whose future had barely begun. One hard-working son and brother who was simply returning home. What began as what police described as a joyride ended in horror. The mangled metal can be cleared from the road, but the emotional scars left behind in these families may never heal. This tragedy is a reminder that speed thrills for a moment but can destroy lives forever. Drive responsibly, obey speed limits, and never underestimate the danger of reckless driving, because one wrong decision on the road can change everything.